Good morning, everybody. It's Kathy from Pray with Kate 56. I'm doing pretty well getting over this COVID. I got a little weird thing going on with my voice, but other than that, I don't feel too bad. Missed you last week, so we got to catch up today. I picked this is the card for last week, and I picked the 3 of spades, and it is a bird prompt. So we're going to get right started on here. Get our brown paper on. Yeah, I've had every vaccine and booster and known to man, and just like that, I got COVID. So did my husband, by the way. He didn't get it as bad as I did. Oh, I was pretty miserable for about 4 days. He just had little stuffy nose and a little congested. It lasted about 2 days, I would say, and he was good to go. Mine was not so good to go. And of course, you know, we found out about it on a Wednesday, and Friday morning, he said, I'm kind of stuffed up. And I said, I can't taste anything. So he went to Walgreens, thank you for the drive up, and got tests for us. And we both tested negative on Friday, but knew most likely he had it. And then Saturday, I developed a barking cough and a sore throat and a headache. And he tested positive, but I did not. So Sunday, finally, I did test positive. And so we called the doctor's service, answering service, and they could not order us the Paxlovid until we had a lab test confirming. So, yeah. We waited until Monday, and he called the doctor, and she called us in prescriptions, so we got that. And the Paxlovid is huge pills, which, you know, I take some of my medication is in a big, pretty large size pill, so it wasn't, you know, that wasn't the bother. The bother was it gave you the most horrid taste in your mouth. Now, I couldn't taste anything else, but by golly, I could taste it. Oh my gosh. And then talked to my sister-in-laws who both had it, and the one had it as well. And yeah, so that was from the drug, and it said it should go away after you stop taking it, but you got to take it for 5 days. Day before yesterday was our last dose of the Paxlovid, and the taste is almost gone. I don't know why I can't taste food, but I can taste that. It's just, I don't know, weird. So, anyway, we're on the mend. Hallelujah. Okay, covered the back with my brown paper, and I have this like sky blue color paper here on the front. And get our corners around it. I didn't trim that very well, I see. Anyway, missed their grandson's birthday party. It was, you know, not too much fun. All right, I got Tim Holtz die cuts of the birds, and I cut them out of his abandoned paper pad. So I got some pretty cool markings on these little birdies. I thought it was kind of neat. And try to find a way to get them so they're sitting pretty. This guy's feet are big. He's got big feet. And I got another one down here I want to put, only because, you know, 3. I think I'll do something sort of like that. Okay. So, I hope everyone else is doing well. Yeah. We've had lovely weather. Yesterday, Saturday. Saturday it started to get a little warmish. And then yesterday morning the air came back on again. So, but we did have a pretty good rain this morning, and a little bit of thunder. Nothing, you know, far off in the distance, rumbly sounding. But we do have more storms coming. Last I heard, I think tonight we're supposed to get some more doozy of the storm coming, so that's good. Get some more rain. More rain never hurt anybody, especially since we've been pretty dry here. Oh, now that I think about it, I was going to put some text in the background, but I guess I'm not. But, oh, I've been working on like a field notes type journal thing. I'm almost done. Just have to finish the cover up. And I'm kind of at a standstill for what exactly I want to do there. I've got this little feather here that I thought put up here on the top. I think I gotta bend his little. Now I just have to see if I can get it on here, because I was planning on, I'm going to put it on with a staple, and then I got something else I want to put on there as well, so I want to staple my bird's nose though. Let's get over right there. Okay, that ought to hold it for a moment. That's pretty much where I want it to be. Fold this over and bend these down tight. There we go. Okay, then I had my got my little Dymo maker out, and I made a little saying. This is with the Tim Holtz cardstock with the craft, and so I put it through my Dymo maker, and then I go over it with a little nail embroidery, oh my goodness, emery board type of thing. So my time is too big. My time is too big. How am I going to do this now? Let's see. fly to stand up and look at this. Perhaps put a little wonky. There, that's not so bad. Okay. I think I could trim these down just a little bit though. A little bit shorter. Yeah, yesterday. I got up and I walked up through the living room and looked at the clock and almost fell out because it was 10 after 11. I thought, oh my God, why did I sleep so late? I didn't sleep past 8 o'clock, I don't think, the whole time I was sick. But I guess I just need to rest up some more. I mean, not like I was going anywhere. Everything pressing to do. So and I didn't even stay up that late. I mean, I don't think I stayed up to midnight. I'm sure it didn't. I'm pretty sure it wasn't midnight yet when I went to bed. So my husband said he was getting ready to come in and check and make sure I was still breathing. I like it. I don't think the feather's going anywhere. I just leave it like that. Maybe I'll put a little... No, I don't want to put any glue on it. I'll just leave it like that. Maybe I'll give it one more little staple though. Do a little crisscross. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, I'm out of staples. Well, I guess I'll do that later. But there we go. Okay. Quick one today, but I think it's cute. These birds, you can't go wrong with these birds. They're amazing. I love them. There we go. Go around the back. I had plans on using one of my holiday ones for last week's with using Maxie's birthday, but that didn't work out so well. All right, let's see. Today is, anybody have any clue what the date is? Well, this is for last week, so August 22nd would be for this one. And this will be week 33. And the prompt is a bird. ahead and set our eyelets. Why do I have such a time with this? This. Right? Tell me if that's right. I'm sure it is. Okay. Put one there, one there. I'm getting more skilled at using my big crocodile now that I can't use my little one for little holes. Oopsie. Gotta do a little switcheroo. Okay. There we go. Let's put our little card. Show it to you one more time. So there we go. Time to fly. Simple. But I like it. I love a feather. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. I am going to get my stuff prepped for the next one. And so we'll have 2 for today. But I'm happy to be back with you. And yeah, look, I got lots of things coming up to share. So it's going to be fun. Okay, guys, thanks so much for joining. And there's our card, week 33. Okay, guys, thanks. Bye.